And for Jonald Calve, for sa na production natin, no?
Oo.
And the cross-country trip will continue.
But ito, may magagamit na siyang dalawang bola. The 2 and the 4.
Yan, may contact. Ganda pa ng kontrabanda.
Yes.
At naitago pa doon sa orange 5.
Kailangan ng 2-rail or maybe a 3-rail kick dito ni Jonald Galve. There you go.
Made that ball run behind the green 6 and the brown 7.
Mhm.
Kasi alanganin yung pwesto ng blue 2. Nakatikit pa yung purple 4. Pinasok muna ni taxi driver.